Do you pick up your phone just 5 minutes after sitting down to study? One app in this video can permanently fix that problem. And at the end, I'll show you one app that can organize your entire study life. So don't skip. Virtual Cottage. Imagine rain sounds, a cozy room, calm music. In this app, you can choose different ambient sounds. Rain, forest, cafe, set a timer, and create a distraction-free environment that instantly puts you in study mode. Forest. Here, a tree grows while you study. When you set a focus timer, a virtual tree grows, and if you use your phone, it dies. This gamification makes it much easier to stay focused. Read aloud. Does reading feel boring? This app converts any text or PDF into voice, lets you control speed, and is super helpful for multitasking or revision. Photomath struggling with a math problem? Just scan it with your camera and get step-by-step solutions, explanations, and multiple solving methods, perfect for understanding concepts. MindMeister, don't just memorize. Create mind maps. You can build visual diagrams, connect topics, and use colors and icons to make complex concepts easier to remember. Quizlet study the smart way with flashcards. Create your own or use ready-made sets, plus quiz and test modes for faster revision. Brainly stuck on homework? Post your question and get answers from students or experts, or search thousands of already solved questions. TickTick? Want to stay consistent every day? It combines to-do lists, reminders, habit tracking, and even a Pomodoro timer to boost your productivity. My Study Life track your exams, classes, and assignments. Create timetables, set exam dates, and get reminders so you never miss anything. This is the final and most powerful app. You can create notes, databases, planners, and study trackers, all in one place. Use templates to build your complete study system. Once set up, your life becomes fully organized. All of these apps have free versions, but some premium features may be locked. If you want to know more about the apps, please comment.